Lots away. It's going to have the feeling like you're going to go across the diagonal. There you go. There you go. How's that feel? That's it. Yeah, it's pretty good. You feel him falling out over the outside shoulder, or does he feel like he's pretty much responding to your outside rein? Okay. Good job. Very nice. Now the other thing that you just, next time that you want to make sure that you do is before you get to your corner, you straighten him out so that he gets practice going into the shoulder in and then coming out of the shoulder in. So you would just, if you were going to straighten him out, but before your corner, you would just draw on that outside rein, literally draw him straight. Let's try one more. You want to have a little release on that inside rein. Yep, like that. Good. Very nice. There's your ankle. And there you feel like softened and rounded. That's awesome. Jeez. Does the shoulder in for the first time? Does it better than anyone? Okay. Good for you. So now, Annie.